My name is Angie Ritchie, and I'm doing a presentation on an informative speech for public speaking class. And I did mine on Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And Pittsburgh is located in the western part of Pennsylvania. And I lived there for 15 years and moved here in 2006. And Pittsburgh was founded by William Pitt. It was founded in 1758, and it was established in 1816, and it is also known as the Burg. There's 3 rivers that are in Pittsburgh. The Allegheny River is from the left if you're in the river looking at the point. The Allegheny River is on the left, the Monongahela is on the right, and it combines together to form the Ohio River. And the stadium that's downtown is named Three Rivers Stadium. The nicknames for Pittsburgh, we have the Steel City, Smoky City, Iron City, and City of Champions. Back in the day, we had a bunch of steel factories producing steel and iron. So it was the Steel and the Iron City because of all the steel and iron produced, and it was a Smoky City because of all the smoke that was through the air. And it was actually found that people that worked in downtown offices would go home during lunchtime to change their shirts because they have so much soot on their clothes. And it's the City of Champions because the Pittsburgh Steelers won 6 Super Bowls. The Pittsburgh Penguins, which is a hockey team, won 3 Stanley Cups. And then the Pittsburgh Pirates, which is the baseball team, have also won a lot of championship games as well as colleges. The dining traditions of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Heinz Ketchup was founded in Pittsburgh by Henry Heinz. And he actually bought his competitive business, and he bought all their products and equipment and sank them in the Allegheny River. And that's the Heinz Ketchup factory. Another dining tradition is the Klondike Bar. It's America's #1 ice cream, and it started in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania at an ice cream parlor called Isley's. And then the last one is Iron City Beer, and it was, they brew fresh every day, Iron City Beer in Pittsburgh, and it was one of the first beers that were brewed in the United States. As far as the schools, there's a lot of schools in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. There's 92 public schools, 72 private schools, 58 parochial schools, 38 proprietary schools, and 8 colleges and universities. There's also a lot of medical schools and medical hospitals that actually teach schools, and they have a lot of findings that they find different things in Pittsburgh. In Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, that's the island port where they bring all their barges of coal and everything in, and it is the nation's largest inland port, providing access to 9,000 United States inland waterway systems. Also with the bridges, you'll see them often downtown Pittsburgh since there are the 3 rivers that you have to drive across. There are 1,700 bridges all the way throughout Pittsburgh. Major bridges in downtown Pittsburgh, there's 15, and within city limits, there's 720. With the taxes up in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, it's 7% sales tax, and tax-free items are clothing, groceries, and specialty foods. The population and the size, it's the 13th largest city in the nation. It's 55.5 square miles. There's 3.9 million people that visit annually, and the total population is 1,336,449. The warmest month in Pittsburgh is July, and the average temperature is 82.7 degrees, and the coldest month is in January at 20 degrees average, with a lot of snow. And then this is the coolest thing about Pittsburgh to me. There's a place called Mount Washington on top of the whole city, and there's an incline that comes from the upper top cities, and it goes down to downtown. It's not that expensive to take it. And there's 2 of them, the Duquesne and the Monongahela, and they are about 360 feet long, 367 feet high, and 35-degree angles. 3 sources I used, I got all 3 from the internet. One was from 3 Rivers Run Through It by Janice Kuliko. The other one was Pittsburgh Facts, Pittsburgh First, Statistics for the City of Pittsburgh. That was by Albert Powell, and the third one was Climate